My name is Kayla Smith, and we're here at Accellent to figure out why math matters. What is your name and what is your title here at Accellent?
My name is Joey Cox, and I work at Accellent. I've been here about 18 years. I'm the supervisor of the processing department, and we're going to find out why math matters.
I'm Randy Moore. I'm an inspector here at Accellent. Been here about 19 years. Work with math every day. So,
what we normally do is we try to convert different things like from footage, inches, millimeters, do things from metric to standard, and we also do work with decimals and different things like that. We have specs that we have to make sure that our product's in between, so that's kind of how that we do that.
What levels of math do you work with in your job on a day-to-day basis?
We deal with anything from your basic math, from addition, subtraction, all the way up, fractions and decimals, things like that. We can even have a little bit of algebra involved from time to time.
Do you think that students should be focusing on US or metric measurements, and how important are measurements in your daily job?
I think that they should be focusing on both, simply for the fact that we have customers in other countries, not just customers in the United States, and we have to use metric and standard also. We have to do conversions and different things like that. So really, students should be focusing in on metric and standard both.
My name's Kevin Bonner. I work at Accellent. I work in the automation, machine, and design department, and we use math every day, if not every minute. So what I'd like to do is show you a few things that we do and how we rely on math, both inch and metric. Okay, just this morning, our task is to design and build a tool that makes this part. The task is to make a square hole in a round part. So that tool does not exist. What we have to do is design that tool. And so here, in a crude form, here's our formulas that we use to come up with the angle to make the tool. This took a guy just a few minutes to come up with all this stuff. So, you know, we can use the calculator, or we can figure it out manually with sine, cosine, and tangent to come up with the geometric shape. There is the 75 thousandths hole in the end. That's a square hole. So that's the tool we made to cut the hole, and that pin is a scale.